3.
Hey, Uptown Swing. It's Peter.
And Maddie.
We did some 6 count, everybody. This is level 1. So here's the footwork. Let's do quick slows, right? So we did quick, slow, slow. I'm the leader.
I'm the follower.
So true. That's what we started with. Then, if you'll remember, we did it with triple steps. So we did quick, triple, rock, step, triple. Number one thing is to do this a million times. Let's face this way so they can see it. I'm the leader, she's the follower. Rock, step, here we go. That is your homework. Do it a bunch. The steps we learned, first we learned open position first, sorry, just like this. Just do a step here, and then we would feel a little boing on each rock step. And then we did closed position just like this. So we kind of share front, about 90 degrees between us, and we did the same footwork. We worked on going between those with the leader just deciding, and everyone not stopping. Then we showed you the old bread and butter, the tuck turn to the inside turn / change your places. Open, close, turn, hey. So this right here is the tuck turn. Open, close, turn. This is the change places or inside turn. And you just keep on dancing. We said a little bit about how to hold hands. We talked about these 2 fingers being the most important ones. And we don't do it like crazy like this, but we curl a little bit and then relax everything. No pinching, everybody. Last thing we did was just try moving like this. Close position, leaders go in front. Bring the followers with afterwards. My arms don't move, my body does all the work. I had you mix it up. If we do any of that practice, that would be so great. Number one thing, 1 million times. Thank you.